Hello, kids! We meet again. This time, let's follow Hovi and Aji on an adventure in a faraway land. Remember to look out for the words that end in an, at, am, ap, ab, and ak. The Adventures of Hovi and Aji. Hovi, the brave warrior, opened his eyes. His head was hurting. He slowly stood up when he felt a hard pull. He turned around. It was his best friend, Aji. Aji, where are we? What is this strange castle? Hovi asked. My mind is blank. I don't remember anything. Aji took out her notepad. Don't worry, I have written everything down, she replied. Good, give me a recap of everything that happened to me, Hovi said. Aji started. Well, long ago when you were just a baby, Hovi cut in. Not that far back. Oh, right, exclaimed Aji. We were following the evil demon Zoda. He is guilty of theft and kidnapping. Along with treasures, he has taken your sister Mia. We left our clan in the high mountains and traveled for many weeks, Aji went on. We finally reached the grand desert of the east. The evil Zoda sent his dangerous mummies to chase us, but we outran them all, said Aji excitedly. Aji continued. We found a boat on the bank of the great river Ryle. But the boat turned out to be a sham. In the middle of the ocean, it sank. Yes, this I remember. I cannot remember what happened next, Hovi said, sadly. Don't worry, you will remember everything soon, Aji replied. Aji continued the story. Our boat sank, but the kind merman rescued us. He took us to his home and nursed us. Aji pointed to the locket on Hovi's neck. He is the one who gave you this magic potion. What does it do? Hovi asked. It has the ability to expand objects and make them bigger, Aji exclaimed. The kind merman dropped us near the shore of this island. We had just entered and then you had the mishap. A guard hit you on the head with his club. Oh, now I understand. That is why it hurts, Hovi said. Don't worry, I took care of him. Aji pointed to one of Zoda's minions lying on the floor. Good job, Aji, remarked a strange voice. Hovi and Aji turned around to see who it was. It was Zoda. With him was Hovi's sister Mia in chains. Mia! Mia! That's what I want to see, Zoda replied. In combat! He shouted. Zoda transformed to a giant spider and came crawling towards Hovi and Aji. Out of the way, Aji! Hovi jumped and pushed Aji out of Zoda's way. He did a quick scan of the surroundings. He saw a mousetrap nearby. Quick, this way, Aji! Hovi shouted. They both ran towards the mousetrap. Zoda, in his spider form, ran towards both of them. Just as they reached the mousetrap, Zoda jumped to grab them both. Hovi quickly used his magic potion on the mousetrap. The mousetrap grew in size. So big, so wide, Zoda jumped right into it. Thump! The mousetrap closed on the spider and Zoda got stuck. Ah! Cried Zoda. Mia! Shouted Hovi. Hovi ran towards Mia and freed her from the chains. Aji hugged Mia. All three of them returned to their clan and lived happily ever after. Wow, Hovi, Aji, and Mia went through some tough times. But then presence of mind helped them. Did you notice the following words in this action-packed story? Let's recall the words that end in ap. At, an, am, ab, and ac. App. Recap. Mishap. Mousetrap. At. That. Combat. An. Clan. Scan. Ran. Outran. Am. Sham. Ab. Grab. And. Grand. Expand. Ack. Back.
If you liked the video, there's a lot more on the Disney BYJU'S Early Learn app, where you can learn from thousands of video lessons, rhymes, activities, as well as stories, worksheets, and games featuring Disney's timeless characters. The Disney BYJU'S Early Learn app. Download now for free.